My name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. As you can see on the title down below, we are doing our monthly Top Shelf Beauty, the Fashion Lashin Beauty Box. This is May's box. But not only that, my channel finally hit 3K. Yes, you heard that right. Thank you so much for subscribing. When I hit 1K subscribers, I did a huge giveaway. I was doing this series. It was called Upgrade Your Lash Business, Items You Need as a Bougie Lash Artist. And in one of those videos, I gave away all of my favorite items. Not the ones that I own. I bought some other ones and gifted it to one lucky winner. Well, now that that giveaway was done, I thought to myself, once I hit 3K, I want to come and do a bigger and better giveaway. So I'm deciding to give one of you guys July's box, because I'm doing an unboxing today and I'll announce the winner in June's box, so you can receive your box for July. But when I reached out to Chanel, I told her, hey, can I buy a box to give to one of my subscribers and you send it out to them instead of her sending it to me and then me sending it to one of the lucky winners? She said, yeah, that sounds like a great idea, but how about this? We give another person another box. So there's not only one winner for July's box, there's gonna be two winners. You heard that right. Two winners. So Chanel's gifting one of you guys a box and I'm gifting you guys a box. So there's going to be two winners. Like I said, all you have to do to enter is comment on my YouTube channel. Whenever you comment and you tag your Instagram, that's 1 point for you. And then on Instagram, anytime you share, I'm going to be posting a picture. I think it's going to be right here. Anytime you share that picture on your Instagram stories, I will get your name, and that'll be 2 points, 3 points. You guys can enter every single day. And then on June's box, like I said, I will be mentioning the two lucky winners. I'm gonna put those numbers in like a automated drive or whatever, and then it's gonna pick the two winners for me. And you guys don't want to miss out on July's box. Not only is it my birthday, July, I'm a Cancer, it's also lash icon Lauren's birthday. I think her birthday is July 9th. I'm July 2nd, so guess who's taking over that box? Yes, Lash Icon is taking over July's box, and let me tell you, she's iconic. You do not want to miss that box. So let's get into this box, and don't forget to enter that giveaway if you guys want to receive a box of your own, because I know you guys don't want to miss out on that. These boxes are literally amazing. They're like Christmas presents every month. You need to gift yourself some good lash apparel and some good other lash items to use in your studio, in your business, whatever you're doing. So let's jump right in. So when you first open your box, it looks beautiful with the tissue paper. It also comes with this little envelope that she has stamped, super cute. And in here, they always have like these little flyers that tell you what's inside the box. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then she also has this flyer here that is saying, hey babes, enter my $1,300 birthday giveaway. So go to Chanel's Instagram right now. May's box is actually Chanel's favorites because it is her birthday month, and she's actually doing a giveaway also. So there's probably 4 lucky winners here in this video. 2 lucky winners will win a huge box filled with lash artist shopping spree dream. So they're gonna have lash products, apparel, and beauty products. So go check out her post so you guys can see how to enter, and let's jump right in. Opening the tissue paper. I didn't tell you guys about last month's box and what I'm loving and using. Okay, so I'm watching last month's unboxing because I didn't take a picture, so I don't remember exactly what we got in that box, but we got this t-shirt. It says, "Shut up, I think you're gorgeous." Beautiful. I seriously love that t-shirt. The other t-shirt is the one that's black that has like the little heart and it says lashes. Super cute. Love it as well. Then the items. Let's see what we got. Now I remember. So we got a foot mask. I actually used that foot mask about like 3 days ago. It does say that your feet start peeling in like 5 to 7 days. Do not put lotion on your feet. It's by Stella Grace, I believe, the products that we got last month. And my feet don't feel that dry. I'm a little scared that they're gonna start peeling like crazy. I'll update you guys on that. The hyaluronic acid, I'm obsessed with that hyaluronic acid. It's actually helped my face without like the blemishes looking super red and disgusting. My skin is actually looking super clear. You can't see it because I'm wearing a shit ton of makeup, but under this makeup my skin is actually looking great, and that's the only product I've switched in my routine, so I'm definitely going to be repurchasing that. And then we also got a rose spray. I don't see any big difference. I use the 𝒪𝑗𝐵𝑒𝑑𝑒𝑠𝑐O spray. It's around the same price, but the 𝒪𝑗𝐵𝑒𝑑𝑒𝑠𝑐O is like this and that one is like this, but I'm not sure if it was just like a sample size. It's not really $8 this big, I'm not sure. But the rose spray, amazing, fine, nothing special about it. The lash products that we got was the EBL adhesive, and it does not work for my environment. I did not like it one bit. My favorite adhesive to this day is the Untamed Artistry adhesive. So the EBL adhesive was like a miss for me. The lashes, I haven't used this last month's lashes or the lashes that I got from J brand. I suck at that, so I'm definitely going to start playing with them now that I'm able to lash, and I'll definitely be updating you guys if we get any lashes here. What else did we get? I think that's about it. We got the N95 mask. Love it. I've been using that. And then the little diamond pen. That's the pen I have here in my studio. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get into this month's box. So jumping right in. Whoa. This is definitely up my alley. It says, "F off, I'm lashing." It's a t-shirt. It's bleached. This is beautiful. I want to say something real quick. I'm not sure if you guys love t-shirts like I do. I love t-shirts. I live in t-shirts. I don't know if these boxes will be worth it for you guys, because there's some people out there that just wear blouses and like t-shirts and jeans are not cute and fashionable, which they are. But I still feel like it will definitely be worth it, because you guys are getting clothes that you guys can wear at home if you guys don't like to wear them out, and then you guys are getting open and exposed to different lash brands and lash products, because there's a lot of lash goodies in here as well. So I personally feel like these boxers are definitely worth it. This is so freaking cute. So then after that we get like a little cute note. We get this little, what is it called? It's like a window mirror decal. If you guys have seen my room tour, you guys know that on my mirror I have a decal that says it's the inside that counts. This one says, "Objects in a mirror are as beautiful as they appear." And this is so cute and tiny. I'm going to be putting it on my handheld mirrors every time I'm done with lashing. I give my girl the mirror so she can see. So I think this is going to be super duper cute to put on there. My girls are going to love it. Then the second item. This is so f***ing dope. It's a sweater that says "Handle with care," and it says, "For worse results, wear mascara, get close to fire, cake on makeup, wear eyeliner, sleep face down, pick and pull them, cut them, be a dirty girl." This is for lash extensions, duh. And then it says, "For best results, no touchy, cleanse daily, brush them, be a pretty girl." I love this. It's a little hoodie, so I live in hoodies as well. This is so freaking cute. Chanel, this is how I found her, because this is kind of like the off-white design, and I found her and I wanted to purchase it, but I just never jumped the gun. I am a mom, so it's really hard for me to buy stuff for myself. So when I seen how much it was, I think it's like, I don't want to quote it, just go check out her website. She will have these sweaters there. I think she also has joggers. I was always obsessed with her brand, and I was like, I need these one day, but I just never jumped the gun and bought them, and I'm so glad I got it in this month's box. Yes, I'm so excited for that. So then of course we always get a printable. This one is by Beauty Mavens. Bank account looking like a phone number. This is so cute. Look at these colors. These are definitely my colors. Mood. Oh my god, I didn't see the back. Mood, 𝐶𝐸𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻. Ooh, these are so cute. If you guys have seen my, like I mentioned, I'll have it linked up here, my studio room tour. I do have a gallery wall that I haven't switched up the pictures, and I'm slowly collecting all of these, and I think that's what I'm going to switch them out, because those are really old and these are so cute and fresh. I've never seen if they're both double-sided. This one's double-sided. I've only like seen one side on all of them, but maybe I just haven't paid attention. So I'm so excited for these little printables so that I can finally switch up my gallery wall. It's gonna look super cute, and that goes with my vibe to a T. Okay, the next thing we have in here are the lash goodies. So we have the OG lashes by Borboleta. You guys already know I love Borboleta. They're just like freaking dope. They are like the most luxurious lash brand there is. It comes with the OG lashes are dope. I am planning on switching over to just OG lashes. So when you get them, they come with this little cute what is it called, like a little carton. Super cute. This is actually the lash box tray, and then you open it. Look how cute that is. Then you open it, and there are your lashes. Beautiful. The ones that I got today are CC 0.7, my favorite, 7 through 15 millimeters. So it says Define Beauty there, then it says a Borboleta here. These lashes are just a dream. I love them so much, and I'm so glad we got some because I love those Borboleta lashes. Next thing we have here is some pre-mades. Guys, this is a lot of lashes, and they're kind of staggered. So if you see it on the fan, it's like 3 are the same length, and then there's 2 in the middle that are shorter. How dope is that? Can you see what I'm talking about? The 3 long ones and then the 2 short ones. How cute. Who is this by? Lash Reality. This is a huge box. I've never bought any pre-mades before. I did get some gifted to me at LashCon. I've only played with pro-mades. So this is gonna be fun for me to get my hands in those. We got you covered, babe. And then it's just how to use them. These are so cute. I love it. And then we got another little pen. This one has little lashes on it. This is so cute. My kids are going to love this pen. And then last but not least, the lash palette. Hey Lash babe, I created this palette because I was missing bits and pieces from all the palettes I've tried. So I combined diamond qualities and lash needs in the lash palette. I hope you find it useful and makes lashing easier for you. 𝐒𝐿𝐷 Chanel. www.topshelfbeautythebrand.com. Hey babe, nice lashes. Guys, every time I get these boxes, I feel like it's Christmas, like it's my birthday. I don't get to spoil myself all that much. So these monthly boxes just like make me so happy. If you love your career, if you love lashing, these boxes are just like joy and happiness, and just like it gets your creative juices flowing because you get some good, amazing clothes and then lash goodies. So it's just amazing. I'm not sure if people like that love their job, let's say like a freaking carpenter or something, and they go and buy new staple gun. I'm pretty sure that makes them happy, but for us it's just like, oh, we need to buy a staple gun. So for us lash artists, we enjoy buying lash products and diving into the goodness that lash industry is giving us. So these boxes, like I said, I don't get to spoil myself. They just feel so good, and Chanel does such a great job of like making everything feel so high quality. Like, how do you only pay $80 for all this good stuff? I don't get it. I seriously don't get it. Thank you Chanel for creating this box. I love it. So the lash palette, it comes with this that is just like little, it's like a little label maker that she already made that has C, CC, D, and then it has like all the diameters from 0.3 all the way to 0.7, and then it has the major lash brands like Borboleta, EVL, J Brand, Lash Anarchist, and more. So these are just like little labels, and then it's this big box. So the regular boxes, I have one that's similar to this by Maven. It's way smaller. Let me go get it so you guys can see. Okay, so this is the Lash palette by Top Shelf Beauty, and then this one is Maven's Lay Low palette. So as you can see, it's not double the size, the one by Chanel, but it is much more bigger than this one. This is kind of like the average size of the lash palettes that a lot of brands carry. So I think like the Lash Makers has a similar one, Untamed Artistry, and the list could go on, and they all have the sizes like this. I'm thinking of upgrading my lash tile setup because I do have like 2 big boxes where my palettes are, and I kind of want to switch over to something like this. I'm still not sure, but like I said, this is like the standard size, and this is Chanel's. So it is pretty big. I'm thinking that I'm not going to use this to lash, like just to make my fans off of this palette. What I'm going to use it for is to store my ProMates. I'm going to be putting like double-sided tape and having my ProMates on here because it's too big to put next to my client's head on my recliner. This is a pre-made box, so you guys can see the size difference. It's really big, this one. It's cute and luxe and huge. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to enter the giveaway that I will be hosting. I will have the picture here where you guys can comment, and your names will be starting to enter into the giveaway. I will have more details in the description below and on my Instagram, so don't forget to keep up with me daily on the Instagram, over there on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if you did, don't forget to share it with a friend. Let's share the lash love. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't, so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe by just clicking my little face here. Boom, click it and you are subscribed. And don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos after this one. I love you. Bye.